Welcome to CAD Concepts. Today we will see best batch printing solution. How we can take it out, complete print, multiple sheets in one time as a PDF, JPG, PNG, DWF, any drawing file into PDF or any printer, plotter, how we can take it out in one time. As you can see here, these multiple sheets we have, number of 50 sheets. I want to take it out as a PDF in one time. So we will see very smoothly how we can take it out. So let's begin. I will take command BPT. Dialog box will open. Come to here. We want drawing to PDF. Okay. Let this as it is. Paper size. Let this A2. Okay. You can customize from here. Let this CTB. You can select your CTB. Browse folder where you want to save your PDF file, your multiple sheets. So you can select from here where you want to save. Okay. So let this one folder file and simply come to here. Print shots. Let this left to right. We want from left to right serial numbers. Okay. And come to here. This is very important. Pick your layer name. This rectangle must be separate layer. This sheet must be separate layer. So it will detect that rectangle only. Okay. And just click OK. After that, simply select all, enter. As you can see here, number of 50 sheets with serial numbers. We are getting number of 50 sheets up to here. Again, just enter one time. Let this OK. And preview. Right click. And let this here start to print from the beginning. As you can see here, your multiple sheets generating as a PDF. So this is the best possible way to produce multiple sheet printing in one time as a PDF, JPG, PNG, DWF or plotter, printer. You can print completely in one time. As you can see here, we are getting this 42, 3, 4, 45, 46 number of 50 sheets we are getting in one time. We'll see where we have saved. As you can see here, we are getting number of 50 sheets. To proceed this method, must install YQArch plugin. I will add in description. You can very smoothly download and you can proceed further. Must download YQArch command book, Ultimate Guide. This book will help you a lot understand deeply how to run these commands to speed up your work in AutoCAD. If you have any doubt, leave your comments as soon as possible. I will reply your queries. Thanks for watching. See you in next video with another topic.